Hey guys, this is Daniel and the Lion's Den, our new Bible story for the week. All right, so this story is going to be found in your Bible in the book of Daniel, chapter 1, verses 1 through 15, and then chapter 6, verses 1 through 10. Have you ever seen a lion before in real life, like maybe at the zoo? Lions are very fierce animals. Some people even call them the king of the jungle. One man in the Bible had a very close encounter with some lions. There was a boy named Daniel. When he was young, he and some of his friends were taken from their home city to a far away land. They ended up growing up and working for the king. One of the first things this king asked them to do was eat a certain type of food. And this was a problem for them because their God had already commanded them not to eat certain things. So Daniel stood up for their beliefs and asked if they could eat their own food. The king actually allowed them to eat their own food, and Daniel and his friends ended up looking stronger and healthier than ever. Daniel learned that it is always best to obey God, no matter what. So he refused the king's meat, and the king allowed him to eat his own food. And at the end of a certain time, Daniel and his friends, they looked stronger and healthier than everybody else. All right, we're going to pick up on our story tomorrow.